I just feel like
That is the creepiest stuff I've
a
ever.
16-year-old has just corrected a 28-year-old's spelling. Is it Tissot or Tissit? It is T-so. Both of you are wrong. It's T-so. The T is silent.
No. He's right. Right.
Chop on your face. Okay, while I was scanning and sending documents to these agencies for my interviews and my offer reports, I actually found my letters of recommendations that my college and school teachers wrote for me, and it just made me realize my worth 12 times more. If I get this job, this might just be my work view every day. I don't know, I don't understand this place. Maybe the lift. I have just met another girl called Yashika, and she just, by the end of the conversation, and that is just the loveliest thing, if not at all. I went to my school best friend, childhood friend's house because it was right near the station, and I went and said hi to his parents, and such a lovely feeling to know that someone knew you when you were a child, and now I need to figure how to walk through these roads in the only chappals I have from Iceland. Matlab, so much happens. One day I step out of the house and take a local train. The guy who just helped me get a taxi, he didn't help me get a taxi. The guy who was जिसकी गाड़ी थी वो चाय पी रहा था, and I asked him and he didn't respond. So he called him a second time that वो आपको बुला रही है, and I cannot explain how kind people can be. My entire interview speech was that AI reminds us how human we are, about the fact that yeah, I don't know if that's right English, it doesn't sound right, but you know what I mean. But AI is not here to replace you. AI is simply here to remind you how human you are. Repetition, routine, and data crunching. The algorithm can take you places, and the world may say you're done. Even your employer might think that AI is the worst thing that can happen to the world. But for you to data crunch it up to a fact where you know that it is only and its whole existence is based on the fact merely that it is to amplify your time. Think about it crunching up hours from your day, your routine. But the ideas only come from you. It's bizarre. I don't understand how life can manifest itself so quickly. My second topic was just so killer, and I was so worried about that. I didn't even think about it when he asked me to. So Siddhartha came and he's like, yeah, you came to us looking for a job, so we need to see where you fit in and things like that. And I was like, bhai, ye kya interview hai? Because I don't even know what kind of a position you are looking for. So I don't know what I can pitch because I don't know what you're looking for. So how do I provide you with what you want to hear? Because I have all the skill sets that I can give you, but I don't know what you want to hear. So he's just like, yeah, 2 minutes talk about a topic at random without any prep. The only prep time I had was the time the video guy came to come and fix the video and mic me up, and that was a little bit of time, not gonna lie, but I didn't think at that time. I mainly thought and spoke when I was talking, and first take was brilliant, but I was looking down while talking, and he's like, nahi, camera mein dekhna, you can't be like how, you know, in acting you have to look like you are actually meaning it, and aap idhar udhar dekhte ho. Isme it is not like that, and my god, life is crazy. Hello everyone, I am going home from BKC to South Bombay, obviously, and I cannot believe that if I choose my first, so I have 2 job offers at the moment. Yeah, so I was saying I'm currently eating my sabudana, heading from Geo World Center and going back home, and I just realized there are 2 job offers for me in this current month. One is from the Rob Report, the second is from Business Today, the third is from Luxbook actually, but I'm not really considering it right now because it's work from home. Although that's exactly what I want, I do realize that these other places have more potential for growth and career wise. Now, what I personally do feel 120% is that I have to kind of supersede my earning over my learning. But also, okay, I'm not making sense. I'm drunk on 16 wines right now. I'm not usually hungry, but because I've had so much wine, I'm eating the sabudana I had for breakfast in the morning while I was heading for work. So currently I'm working for Business Traveler India. Where I want to be working is Business Today as a video journalist and a news anchor. Hopefully someday in the future, if that happens, my God, life will truly change in how. Imagine your girl being on TV, like actual TV and not on YouTube screens that you do watch. It's a huge deal for me if I get this job practically, so I'm putting too much faith into it, and I might hear back only after Monday. I might have to give an answer to Rob Report, which is waiting on me till 8 p.m. tonight, because the current CTC that they have offered me is obviously not exactly what my expectations are. But I think it is not too bad. I'm just looking at how beautiful sabudana actually looks. So my dilemma
पूरा जाम है।
मेरा नया जॉब BKC में है।
ये देखो बीकेसी की हालत।
तो मैं लूँ कि नहीं जॉब?
मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ?
अगर लूंगी तो 9:30 to 6 होगा टाइमिंग एवरी डे। ट्रैफिक है।
काम तो है।
What is also super important for me to consider is the other one is a low parallel. The biggest factor I need to be considering is where I actually feel like I will grow. Now, I have to reply back to them by 8 p.m. today, and I haven't heard back from Business Today because my interview was literally yesterday. So I do not know if I'm in a space where I know what decision I should be taking or what. I mean, I'm a 22-year-old girl stuck in a corporate world. बहुत ट्रैफिक है। I'm truly scared if I have to come here every day. Probably it will be impossible for me to have a life.
अपने में ही खोए रहता हूँ, कहना कुछ कहता हूँ, दिन जब सांस रहता हूँ, दिल क्या करे।
Really sacrificing 3 lakh के लिए गरम खाना पीना.
You are doing over here side activities which you can't do over there.